Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. The tune-up report for Clay in Texas on the RCI-2995DX CF. Clay, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune alignment. We've got the bright white LEDs in here because from the factory they got some dim wheat lamps. Can't hardly see anything with those. We spoke on the phone several times. You said you were running an amplifier that you were currently swinging input of 100 watts PEP into it, and you needed your carrier down around 4 watts. So these radios, typically when I get done with them, they do 150 to 170 PEP and usually around 70 bird or so. So I had to set this radio up specifically for your needs, which is not a problem. We can do that, and if you've got something like this, just give us a shout right there, and we can get you fixed up. So RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Actually got you at 1 watt all the way down. That way you've got more than adjustability, okay? All the way up, 20 watts. Now if you decide to run just the radio, hello, 50 watts of bird swing right there. 100 watt slug from that 20 watt carrier. Hello 1 2, hello, doing 100 watts on the money. So that gives you, on the ratio, that would be 125% positive peaks. Roll the RF power all the way down to that 1 watt. You were concerned about 100 watts, and there we are. We're talking 100 watts right there, right now. Got down in the world of sound. As my good friend Motormouth Mall says. Superstar mic, that's what I'm running. I really like these. They're great unless you have a really deep voice, then they might be too bassy for you. In that case, there's the Static 636L and some others. Well, y'all ready to go, Clay? I hope you enjoy us, bud. It's been a pleasure talking to you and getting with you. I'm your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com, and bump.